everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. Today is day 3 of our charcoal study. So today we're going to be doing a little bit more of a figurative drawing. We're going to be drawing a light bulb, and then we're going to be imagining that it's on, and that is going from light to darker to darker to darkest. So we're going to have those, like our light, start to grow as it goes out. So this is a way that we could do a value scale in a little bit more interesting way. So remember, with our charcoal pencil or vine charcoal or compressed charcoal, you can really put down your value in a different way than with pencil. So let's go grab our supplies and a piece of paper and let's get started. So we're going to start off with a drawing of a light bulb, and this doesn't have to be in the middle. You could put it off to the side. That's up to you and your artistic ideas. And you do want to draw this in charcoal. You don't want to draw this in pencil because you don't want to have like pencil lines and charcoal, or you can experiment with it. It's my preference to do it all in charcoal. So I'm going to start off with a straight line going up, curving into a round bulb. Now if you want to do a different type of light bulb, you can. Curving back down, coming down to my base. I think I want my base to be a little bit more narrow. That's a great thing about charcoal. I can go ahead and fix it up later. And then we're going to have the base. And you can skip some of these details if you wish. Once you're happy with the shape, then we can start to think about the light itself. So we can start to play with the value. I just kind of want to get a base down, so I'm just kind of smudging it a little bit so that way I can start to erase areas. Now I can come back in with my eraser, find my highlighted areas. And I'm not too worried about my sketch itself. Now I want to start to think about the rings of light coming around it. So I want to keep it with these motions. Some of my lines are longer, some are shorter. And I want it to get really dark away from the light bulb and much lighter towards the center where the light bulb is. So I'm going to start to apply my charcoal, pressing hard on the outside. And I'm keeping my motions kind of gestural, meaning it's a little bit on that scribbly side, like that technique we learned about before. I'm not putting much more darkness towards the center. And we can start to smudge it out using our finger or paper or a blending pencil. Make sure you really hold on to that light towards the center. And there's no right and wrong for this. Just try to express yourself, have fun with it, really play with the charcoal, see what it can do. Be careful when you're smudging that you don't crinkle your page. And you can see how I'm keeping it really sketchy. And I'm moving fairly quickly, adding my charcoal, but I'm keeping it in this circular motion. And you don't want to over smudge either, so maybe you do some where you smudge and then you just go on top and you don't. Play with it, see what you like, how much do you want it to be gradual, how much do you like your lines showing. Charcoal will always move unless you set it, so you can use hairspray to set, or you can use a sealer, like a clear spray, to set your drawings. So once you're happy with it, I don't like the fingerprints showing, so I'm going to try to get rid of them. You can erase it. Until you're happy with it. I think I'm happy with it right there, but you can go further with it. So I hope you had fun drawing your light bulb, really trying to focus on value, going from light to dark on the edges, playing with the idea of being gestural, having a smooth transition from the light to the dark. I hope you're able to take this and kind of push yourself to play with value. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified every time I post a new video. Hope to see you next time. Bye, friends.